Tap your way to the best installation. Another no fluff, real world tip from the zone. Okay, when you're setting a fixture, so this is a particular fixture. I'm actually simulating a fixture being set. The stake looks mighty impressive. However, it's never going to penetrate the ground properly without destroying the whole fixture. So some people use a shovel and they make a cross cut, and then they put the stake through the center. I'm not a big fan of that. To me, it leaves too large of a hole and makes it sloppy. Other people use an auger attached to a drill, a battery-operated drill. To me, it's not effective. You're going to catch the sprinkler pipes. The roots are going to throw it off, and it's going to make it jerk. It's not a good way to do it. To me, some people use rebar, and they pound that in there. I prefer a piece of heavier metal electric EMT pipe, and what that allows me to do is tap down through the center, tap it down, and it takes out a slug of dirt. And as you go along, you knock it out, and that allows you to cut through nicely. Sometimes the dirt comes out quick, sometimes takes a little bit longer. The beauty of this is, as you're going in, depending on the size of your stake, you'll make a circular motion, and that'll widen it up. But you're not going to go so wide that it's going to be a sloppy fit, which I find very important, because if you make a cross cut with a shovel, now you're disturbing the dirt on all four sides, and the fixture will tend to go off kilter, off center. So when this one goes in, it's a very snug fit. And that's actually, a perfect application for this. What if you put it in and it was going this, and that, and then you're trying to tamp the dirt down? Sometimes that happens, and you have to do it. But it doesn't really leave you with a good feeling. This, I can leave this here, and I know it's going to be like that when I get back, unless someone hauls off and kicks it. So that would be a perfect install in the hole. Now, I didn't line it up 100% but you will when you install it properly. But I just did it for showing you how to utilize this conduit for installing your fixture properly. Utilizing this, I call it this tapping method, enables you to get a feel in the ground for what you're hitting. You'll be able to get, if there's irrigation down there, if it's PVC, you'll feel a little bit of a springiness, and you'll know when you're hitting some resistance after you get used to this, and you'll know to pull it out, shift it over a little bit, or expose the hole and actually look and see what you're hitting. So this method is ideal for that, and I don't really find the other methods as clean as this one. So this is the way we install probably 90% of our fixtures because of for those reasons.
I've made these tip videos to demystify the low voltage outdoor lighting business. To get a better idea of its potential, check out our free video lesson from our upcoming course, How to Build a Successful Landscape Lighting Business. You won't be disappointed. Click the link in the description and it will take you to the video at our website, landscapelightingzone.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the page. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we post new videos. Get in the zone, landscapelightingzone.com.